Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get more Discord orbs on the new Discord quest. So if you scroll down here and go to discover, there will be quest section. It says here, claim 700 Discord orbs. So you're just going to start video quest, and I'll be right back when I've finished watching the trailer video. So yeah. Once you're done watching, just select claim reward. Authorize yourself here. So now, as you can see, my balance is now 850. It's still not enough yet for anything right now, but soon I'll have credit for this maybe. But yeah, just keep on opening quests and see which one you can get, like Discord orbs. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.